Well, I'm doing 75 hard. I know, right in the middle of winter, right in the middle of going into Christmas. I know, I'm crazy. Welcome back. My name is Natalie, and I am the PLR baddie. And my channel is going to be diving into my perspective of starting an Etsy shop. But before we go into that, I just want to say that I'm going to do 75 days of hard, or 75-day challenge. I got my husband into it, my friend into it, my sister into it, and we're going to go hard. So it is starting on Monday, which I got to find the date. The one date what is. And part of my 75 of hard is, and I think this is going to be really tough, is 75 days where I post content each and every single day. And this content is going to be about me running my Etsy shop, the highs and lows right now, which is low, things that I use to help create my Etsy products, different programs that I use. I want to make this very knowledgeable for you so that maybe you can come along the ride and you can learn something very valuable and make some money too. On top of that, I am going to be doing my devotional reading. I am going to add in some other things. I want to at least tackle 4. I'm going to check in here and there, but I'm going to be devoted to this, and it's going to be intense. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to look, but we're here. And today has been already a chaotic mess. Anywho, so if you want to follow along with my journey on 75 Hard, come and join me. I'm actually going to try and make an actual tracker so that we can track our 75 days of hard and just color it in because, it gives you some sort of motivation. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, if you want to see what's going on in my life, you definitely need to subscribe and you need to follow. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right, so I just wanted to show you my 75 hard template that I made. I thought it was super cute, and I'm going to add some of my little knickknacks that I made. Those girls I made on being AI. And now I'm just looking for some little doohickeys to add to it just to give it a little pizzazz so it looks cute. I'm going to print it out and put it in my bathroom. And there we have our Monstera plant. And this is just an easy way to just jazz up your life. Add pictures, add photos, add things that, remind you of yourself and make it look good because this 75 is going to be hard. Anyways, this is my template that I made, and hopefully I'll add it to my Etsy shop. Talk to you soon. Bye.